Are you tired of the constant struggle with coding? Do you wish there was a magic wand that could write your code effortlessly? Welcome to the future of coding with Codeium, your free AI-powered code acceleration toolkit. Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into the revolutionary world of Codeium, the tool that's transforming how we code. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned developer, Codeium is about to become your new best friend. Let's explore how. Codeium is not just any coding tool, it's an AI-powered assistant that offers code completion across over 70 programming languages and is compatible with 40 IDEs, including popular ones like VS Code, JetBrains, and Jupyter Notebooks. Imagine having a co-pilot that understands Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, Java, Go, and C++ among others. Sounds like a dream, right? But what makes Codeium stand out? First, its wide language support means you're covered no matter what you're coding. Secondly, its integration with numerous IDEs ensures your coding environment is always optimized.
And the best part? Codeium's AI-powered autocomplete. It's like having a coding mentor that not only predicts your next line of code, but also understands the context of what you're trying to achieve. Getting started with Codeium is a breeze. Simply head over to their website, click on Get Extension. It will lead you to their portal, where you choose ID to your liking. As I have Visual Studio Code installed in my computer, so I will click on Visual Studio Code and then click on Quick Install, and it will ask you to open Visual Studio Code and show the Codeium extension in the VS Code extension tab. Then click on Install and then simply go into the Accounts option, and from there you can easily log into the Codeium portal and use the features of the extension. And voila, you're set to code smarter, not harder. Let me show you how it works. To truly appreciate Codeium, let's see it in action. Here I am working on a project where I am implementing front-end in React, and I am coding in this model.js file. Here, as you can see, this extension automatically completes my code, and not only that, it is also understanding the context and also what I am trying to achieve here. It does not automatically complete single line of code only, but also gives you snippets and fully functional code. By now you are probably wondering, what's in it for me? Well, Codeium doesn't just accelerate your coding process, it enhances your learning, reducing coding errors and significantly improves your productivity. And remember, Codeium is completely free. It's an individual tool for students, professionals, and hobbyists alike. The future of coding is here, and it's accessible to everyone. As we wrap it up, it's clear that Codeium is more than just a coding tool. It's a revolution in the coding world. With the AI-powered capabilities, Codeium is set to change how we approach coding challenges. So, are you ready to take your coding to the next level? Dive into the Codeium today and experience the future of coding. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights and tutorials. Happy coding! Peace out.